All right, Mary Margaret. Oh, might I be in the way? No. Yes. That was a little early. Do one more, please. Your timing was a little off, but that was nice, Katie. I think, yeah, go right back. Dude, just go into another one right there. There you go, timing was on there. Nice. All right, Irene and Rebecca, do some jibicles.
Yeah. I have a question about wing jiving into a reach.
Yes?
Because I feel like when we roll into the jive, I'm like crossing the boat, and when I do that, I strain the turret, coming out low.
Just wait longer to roll.
Wait longer to cross.
Just steer. All right, start steering. Or wait till you get by me so you can, I'll throw it in reverse for a sec. All right, go for a jive. Go for it, do it. Got to talk about it because you're coming out on a reach.
Oh, okay. We had been practicing.
But you didn't say anything. How is she gonna know? Are you practicing it during a race? No, you're just doing it. All right. Start spinning it. That's fine. I don't know what we're crying about. Yeah, but start bearing off now. It's actually too light. You wouldn't be winging at all in this stuff. You would never wing in this stuff? You would just reach?
Wait, I didn't hear what you said.
I'm saying it's so light you would never wing right now, at all.
So we would just be doing reach to reach.
Yeah, just do some reach to reach.